What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan for Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing video. Guys, today I will be making a special video about a coin that can give us the potential to 30 to 50x our initial. And earlier today in the stream, I was already mentioning that I was seeing a very good gem with very good potential, and that I want to make a special video about it because I know not everyone is always watching the streams at the same time. So that is the reason why I'm making also, besides doing it already in the stream, making an extra video about it and going a little bit more into the fundamental reason why I think it will be exploding. Because in my opinion, if you want to be buying into a gem, yes, it has to be low cap because otherwise I can't call it a gem, but also it has to have very good fundamental worth. So today, guys, if you like these kinds of content, first of all, make sure to smash up the likes, make sure to let me know in the comments if you have some other gems as well for me to discuss here, because in the end of the day, I want to be making the money all together with you guys. So let me know if you have some requests. So let's get right away into the video. So as you can see here, it is BFLY protocol that I will be talking about today. Earlier today, I already discussed it in the stream. And the reason why I'm saying this is a gem, a true undervalued gem, because I like the project. I think it's a very good project. And that's the reason why I'm saying it's undervalued. So sitting around a whopping 6.5 million market cap. Guys, I've not been talking about coins that have such a low market capitalization. 6.5 million is not a lot. Currently having 11.5 million circulating supply of these BFLY tokens. Very exciting. So if I do my quick math here, we only need a 5 million increase into price to push this one to the $1. So that could have been already, that can be here already pretty soon here. So still the market capitalization is so low here. And that's the reason why I bought into it, because I think it's a very good project and it can give some good returns. So right now, looking at this coin on CoinGecko here. By the way, if you want to be seeing that coin as well here, I put it in the description, CoinGecko link, or you can just search it up for BFLY protocol, because here you can see also their socials, etc. But general, let's first look at the chart. What can we be seeing here, and why do I like this project so much here? So let's go into the chart. You can see it was pushing first up to $2.23. What just was getting launched here. It got launched on PolkaStarter, and for the people that are not familiar yet here with PolkaStarter is a very good project where IDOs can be getting launched there. And BFLY protocol was one of them, and it was already keeping my eyes out of on BFLY protocol, and already was buying it recently around the 70 cents or so. So already usually for a long period of time I'm exposed to this project, but recently just 2 or 3 days ago I put more into it because I was reading some extra things about it, and I will be of course going into that in a second. But that was of course very promising. But since then we had a lot of consolidation going around here. It was getting launched on the 5th of February. And just so it is already around for approximately 2 months or so. So two or 3 months is right now around here. Very exciting to see what it is going to do here. Because yeah, right now, guys, if I just also look at the charts here, you're having a very good buying opportunity. You're buying almost at all-time lows here, and you want to be buying the lows and selling the highs, right? So that is second of all. If I'm looking to the buying opportunities, already a very good opportunity that you're currently getting here. You're buying at lows, and you want to be buying the lows. You don't want to buy a significant bump. No, you want to be buying a significant dump here. So that's the first reason why I am buying into this coin. Also, unfortunately, I can't look it up on TradingView currently. But it is definitely providing me the buying opportunity to buy cheap. So also for the people that are wondering where can you be buying it, you can be buying it on Uniswap. You can be buying it also on XC, Hotbit, and BLXC. But I'm buying it on Uniswap for everyone who's wondering. I buy it on Uniswap because I just like the liquidity that Uniswap has, and it's just very easy for me to use. So why BFLY protocol? Why do I think it's a very undervalued gem? That is the reason why I'm saying this is an undervalued gem here, is because of the fundamental worth here. I think the fundamental worth is very important if you're looking to a coin. So for this coin, for instance, you can see the BFLY protocol is a decentralized, autonomous organization that will be replacing the existing DNS and change the economic of domains and ownership. It's a censorship-resistant system based on the blockchain, liberating users freely to publish and view content without being restricted by the government or corporations. So basically what they're saying here is if you're getting a DNS here, if you're getting a domain name over here, the government can't stop you because it is built on the blockchain technology. It is not a thing. Like say if you're making a site on regular domains, let's say you're creating a CryptoRover.com. Let's say, for instance, you're creating CryptoRover.com. You buy by a regular DNS system. You're not building it on the blockchain, because the important part about this, if you're buying your domain name here on BFLY protocol, it's based on the blockchain. So the government can't do anything here. You can see it also over here. Censorship resistance. Websites are frequently blocked, but with BFLY protocol, your domain can't be taken away and it is yours forever. So that is, of course, very exciting, first of all, because at the end of the day, we are exposed to crypto because we are here to boost the decentralization here in general, because in the end of the day, we all think it's better for us, and of course, it's better to don't have a third party between it. So it's very exciting what you can do here already. And yeah, you can see a profitable ecosystem, decentralized control, and true ownership. Yeah, the true ownership is, of course, a very important part about it. And I mean, yeah, here you can see all kinds of things that they're doing. So if you're also interested, you can go to the site here to read exactly everything about it. And guys, by the way, a thing that I also want to be saying here, because I think if you're also just interested on getting domains, not buying the crypto, but getting, let's say, some domain names, it can be very profitable. Because if you look at the past, you have the .com boom. You were seeing people were, let's say, if you bought, I was already saying it already. If you bought the Bitcoin.com, or of course maybe some other very important, very straightforward names here. But if you have, let's say, Bitcoin.com, it's been worth millions. You could have sold it's just a domain name, and because you claimed it, it's yours. And you can be selling it. People will be offering you millions for it because it's such an important domain name. It means the world for them. So, I mean, this can also be truly revolutionary, and yeah, it's just very exciting. And the also thing that is on their website is that they're going to burn tokens. So currently you can see we are having 100k maximum supply and currently having 11.5 million circulating supplies. So they are working on big partnership, and you can see it also on the Telegram, because I joined the Telegram and you can read all kinds of cool stuff over there. And they're basically telling once they are going to work together with a partner, of course, because they are looking to partner up with more people. And you can see already the current partners that they are having. If I say it correctly, it is over here somewhere. Let me search it up over here. Go to homepage here. So if you're interested, of course, you can scroll through their site to see what kind of partners they have, see kind of what they are currently doing here, of course, because I think it's very important to look also about what partners have. You can see over here some valued investors. Sorry, this my bad. So you can see over here they're working together with Pluto, M6, X21 here, and I mean, it's very important, and they say that they are working on getting more big partners in. Of course, it is still a small project, so the reason why I'm saying this is, of course, very low market cap, holding this project at a very low market cap, and that is the reason. Of course, there is a certain risk attached to it, but the risk to reward on this project is extremely high, in my opinion. So but let me get back into my story. They were telling that they're working with some partners, and each and every time they're partnering up with a company, they're going to burn 100k BFLY protocol tokens. So that is, of course, very exciting that they're going to burn tokens, because I think in the end of the day, if you're burning tokens, there is getting less and less available, and of course the demand is only increasing, but there is less available. So you know how it works: demand and supply, very easy calculations, of course, but yeah, they are saying that they're going to burn only more and more tokens once it is going up, once they're announcing more partners. So it's very exciting what they're doing. I already like it once projects are burning their own coins, because it will only create more scarcity, and I think it's a very good thing here. So guys, of course, let me finish up this video. So basically what I think here is a big sleeping giant. It will be blasting off to the upside, and the reason why I'm making this video is, of course, because I want to be sharing this. So I'm once again saying this purely out of my heart, guys. I want to be getting you guys along with the things what I'm doing here. So if you are really interested in this project, you can I mean, yeah, you can be finding the site and the link in the description, the CoinGecko as well here. So otherwise, you can just search it up over here. I think you definitely want to do your own research. Of course, this is just my own opinion. Make sure to do your own research before really buying into it. I mean, I always say it, always do your research. Don't listen to anyone on the internet, but do your good research before buying into it. But if you're doing the research, you probably will be finding out the exact same what I do think right now, that it is an undervalued gem with literally 50x potential. So can't wait to see where it is heading towards. I think the train will be leaving anytime soon here. So if you haven't already, yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well here, guys. Make sure to smash up the like. And if you have some other projects that I really have to look into, because, guys, this was once again also a subscriber who was asking me about this project. I was doing research on this project, and it was looking extremely bullish. So can't wait to see where it is heading towards, guys. If you have some other very good projects, let me know in the description, and we'll be checking you guys later in a new video or a new stream on the channel. Goodbye.